First catch of the day. It's about 6:45 in the morning here in Bemis, West Virginia. Chuck and Braid already fell in the water. Chuck's GoPro didn't have the waterproof case on it, so not too sure if it's still gonna work.
Nice rainbow.
On a black
first catch of the day.
Black rooster tail.
That's a nice guy.
I'm just using a piece of night crawler here to try it out.
Yeah.
Hold up, hold the fuck on.
I got one on. Oh shit. Gina, right here in front of us. Right here.
Nice that one.
That's a... For now. Hey everybody, how you doing? Yeah. Come right to Braid. Hurry up. He's right there. He's somewhere right. Scoop that fucker. There we go. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Hey. Oh, my pole.
Got one. Hey, get your come over here, Chuck. Your line's a... I got it. Right here in front of me. There you go. Come on, he's tugging. Hold on. Woohoo! First one of the day. A nice one. There you go. Hitting that. Here, lift your pole up.
No, it's a rainbow.
Yeah. Here you go. They'll come underneath you. There he is. Nice shit. Yep, bread. Yep, just had a little lunch break, had some snacks. Chuck's still freezing. He's his sweatshirt's still soaked because he fell in a creek right here, crossed him this morning. And that's the only thing he brought to wear. And his waders are too big and his socks keep getting pulled off. We left at 2:30 this morning from a little bit south of Pittsburgh, and took us about 2 hours 45 minutes to get down here. We stopped, bought our license, bought some powder bait, and then came here, and the first one's here, and so far we've got the best hole. We haven't really seen anybody else catching anything yet. Dude, I had a hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, Brad. Just one on here. He just bit it and didn't take it. Dude, like my hand slipped off the pole when I was trying to rip it. You see that?
Wait, Brad, you got two? One.
Nice little guy. Yellow. Yeah, daddy.
Does he have mine in your mouth too? Did you get that air talking full, Gino? Got it?
Wait, hold on. Don't reel it in.
Alright.